Tai Chi for beginners. Tai Chi, also known as Tai Chi Chuan, is a traditional Chinese martial art that has evolved into a graceful form of exercise practiced worldwide for its health benefits. Characterized by slow, deliberate movements and deep breathing, Tai Chi promotes physical and mental well-being. This video drills into the history, principles, health benefits, and practice of Tai Chi, making it accessible to beginners and seasoned practitioners alike. Tai Chi originated in China over 700 years ago, though some aspects of the practice date back even further. It is rooted in Taoist and Confucian philosophies and is closely linked to traditional Chinese medicine, TCM. The modern form of Tai Chi is often attributed to Chen Wangting, a 17th-century Chinese military officer of the Chen village. He combined martial arts techniques with principles of Taoism and Chinese medicine, creating a new practice that emphasized health and self-defense. Over the centuries, Tai Chi has branched into several styles, each with its unique characteristics. The most prominent styles include Chen style, known for its combination of slow and fast movements and the use of explosive power. Yang style, the most widely practiced form, characterized by slow, gentle, and flowing movements. Wu style emphasizes small, compact movements and a slightly forward-leaning posture. Hao, or Wu, Hao, style, focuses on precision and internal energy. Sun style combines elements of Tai Chi, Xingyiquan, and Baguazhang, and is noted for its smooth, flowing movements and high stances. Principles of Tai Chi. Yin and Yang. At the core of Tai Chi philosophy is the concept of yin and yang, opposite yet complementary forces that create balance. Tai Chi movements embody this balance, transitioning smoothly between softness, yin, and firmness, yang. Tai Chi emphasizes the cultivation and flow of qi, pronounced qi, the vital life energy that flows through the body. Practitioners believe that maintaining a balanced and free-flowing qi is essential for health and well-being. Breath control. Breathing is an integral part of Tai Chi practice. Deep, diaphragmatic breathing helps to regulate qi flow, reduce stress, and enhance mental focus. Each movement in Tai Chi is synchronized with breath, promoting relaxation and energy efficiency. Mindfulness and meditation. Tai Chi is often described as meditation in motion. The practice requires concentration and mindfulness, helping to calm the mind and cultivate a state of inner peace. This mental aspect of Tai Chi is as important as the physical movements. Health benefits of Tai Chi. Improved balance and coordination. Tai Chi enhances balance and coordination by strengthening the legs and core muscles. It also improves proprioception, awareness of body position, reducing the risk of falls, especially in older adults. Enhanced flexibility and strength. The gentle, flowing movements of Tai Chi stretch and strengthen muscles, improving overall flexibility and muscular endurance. Unlike high-impact exercises, Tai Chi is gentle on the joints, making it suitable for people of all ages and fitness levels. Cardiovascular health. Research has shown that Tai Chi can improve cardiovascular health by lowering blood pressure, improving circulation, and increasing aerobic capacity. The combination of movement and deep breathing helps to strengthen the heart and improve overall cardiovascular function. Tai Chi has been found to reduce chronic pain, particularly in conditions such as arthritis and fibromyalgia. The low-impact nature of the movements and the focus on gentle stretching and strengthening help alleviate pain and improve joint mobility. Immune system boost. Regular practice of Tai Chi has been shown to enhance immune function, potentially reducing the incidence of illnesses. This is partly due to the reduction of stress and the improvement in overall physical health. Mental health benefits. Stress reduction. Tai Chi is an effective stress management tool. The meditative aspect of the practice helps to calm the mind, reduce anxiety, and promote a sense of well-being. The focus on breathing and mindfulness encourages relaxation and stress relief. Improved cognitive function. Studies have indicated that Tai Chi can enhance cognitive function, particularly in older adults. Regular practice has been associated with improved memory, attention, and executive function, possibly due to the combination of physical activity and mental focus. Better sleep quality. Tai Chi can improve sleep quality by promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety. The gentle exercise and deep breathing help to regulate the sleep-wake cycle, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. Emotional well-being. Practicing Tai Chi fosters a sense of inner peace and emotional balance. The emphasis on mindfulness and the connection between mind and body helps to cultivate a positive outlook and enhance emotional resilience. Getting started. Find a qualified instructor. While Tai Chi can be practiced alone, beginners benefit greatly from the guidance of a qualified instructor. Look for classes at local community centers, gyms, or martial arts studios. Many instructors also offer online classes. Learn the basics. Start with basic movements and principles before progressing to more complex forms. Focus on mastering the foundational postures, breath control, and the concept of Qi. Practice regularly. Consistency is key to reaping the benefits of Tai Chi. Aim to practice for at least 20 to 30 minutes a day. As you become more comfortable with the movements, you can extend the duration and explore more advanced forms. Basic Tai Chi movements. Commencement, Qi Shi. This is the starting posture of many Tai Chi forms. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent, arms at your sides, and focus on your breath. Slowly lift your arms to shoulder height, then gently lower them. Parting the wild horse's mane, Yi Ma Fen Zong. Step to the side and shift your weight, mimicking the action of parting a horse's mane. This movement promotes balance and coordination. White crane spreads its wings, Bai He Liang Kai. Raise one arm while the other arm moves downward, resembling the spreading of a crane's wings. This movement helps improve flexibility and coordination. Brush knee and twist step, Lu Shi A Bu. Step forward and simultaneously brush your knee with one hand while the other hand moves forward. This movement enhances balance and strengthens the legs. Wave hands like clouds, Yun Shou. Shift your weight from side to side while moving your arms in a circular, wave-like motion. This movement promotes fluidity and relaxation, integrating Tai Chi into daily life. Mindful living. Tai Chi encourages mindfulness, which can be extended into daily activities. Practice being present and aware during everyday tasks, such as eating, walking, or interacting with others. Stress management. Incorporate Tai Chi principles into your stress management routine. When feeling overwhelmed, take a few moments to practice deep breathing and gentle movements to calm the mind and body. Complementary practices. Tai Chi can be complemented with other wellness practices such as yoga, meditation, and Qigong. These practices share similar principles and can enhance the overall benefits for physical and mental health. Tai Chi is a holistic practice that offers a wealth of benefits for both physical and mental health. Its gentle, flowing movements and emphasis on mindfulness make it accessible to people of all ages and fitness levels. Whether you are seeking to improve balance and flexibility, reduce stress, or enhance overall well-being, Tai Chi provides a comprehensive approach to health. By incorporating Tai Chi into your daily routine, you can experience the profound effects of this ancient practice in modern life. If you received value from this video, please like, subscribe, and comment.